start with Lauren. Lauren from LA, used to valet parks and smoking green up in the beat. I pulled her Hyundai. Used to share dreams of selling shows at Coliseum. Crowd roar, she had dreams, but I ain't see 'em. Ooh, hit game, she rearranging her jaw. I only hit a couple times before she hit the airport. And of course, I told her things that now she probably ignored. But she's still rocking my shirt and her panties still in my drawer, yeah. Back to you. Back to you. Back to you. Rhiannon. Streets had her blowing me like a cannon with impeccable fashion, but security was lacking Commonwealth. She was with me and with everybody else. She called me daddy, but she ain't got one herself. Ooh, she's standing frail legs, she misunderstood, but so pretty. Get any man with those titties, it's a pity. She don't understand the power she withhold. I just pray she find herself before growing old takes her toll. Back to you. Putting the whole family through hell. Live a life of luxury but wouldn't tell. Prefer to roll with gangs, Gucci, Prada, and Louis with all her bags. Swiping plastic courtesy of mom and dad. Claim to love me bad. God knows she was lying, but enjoyed being away from all her privilege. She preferred the villages, forgetting that crack loans turn into crack domes. Scared her straight, she'd be better off at home. Sack chrome Bentley should let me drive on occasion. She done seen the world, I ain't even had a vacation. It's amazing, living on the other side for a while. Then she kicked me to the curb when she see my crooked smile, yeah. Back to you. Back to you. Back to you. But have you ever met a chick that make you call your other chick to call it off? And when you cancel all your shit, you shoot your shot and then you miss. Boy, take that loss. Have you ever met a chick that make you call your other chick to call it off? And when you cancel all your shit, you shoot your shot and then you miss. Just waiting on that switch, and when you got it, you would do anything just to pocket that. Treat her like a Glock in the bedroom, the way you cock it back. Treat her like a Queen Cleopatra, the way you honor that. Anything she wants, talking parachute or designer tags. Anything she wants, talking quiet dinners and sitcoms. Anything she wants, tell her where I get all my shit from. Never taught how to love, and that's the truth. But if it's real, you are the proof, and I just wanna get back to you. I just wanna get back to you. I just wanna get back to you.